Okay, impressing the subconscious mind before you sleep. If you've been doing affirmations, if you've been doing subliminals and all that stuff, just stop it. Just do this. Right before you go to bed. Right before you go to bed. Just sit on the edge of your bed, or say you're lying down, you're right about to fall asleep. You need to be in that theta brainwave state just before slumber. And just ask yourself, how would I feel with ... And imagine it, live it, daydream if you will, night dream if you will. And that's it. And go to sleep. That's it. And if you've never done this before, it's so much fun. It's so much fun. Life is a stage. Become who you want to be. Just once, for a few minutes, a few seconds is all it takes. That is it. Because once you go into sleep, that video that you're listening to, the audio you're listening to, is not doing anything. It's that moment, right before you drift off. Just imagine. By imagining, you will create the feeling. And from there, that is when the subconscious takes over. That is when your higher mind takes over. Just for a few minutes. I challenge you to do this. It only takes one time. It really only takes one time. If you do it every night, great. And you should. Every time you go to bed, give thanks. Give thanks for that which you are, you know you truly are. You're that wealthy person. You're the person that has everything they want. You're the person that you know you need to be. You are that. Imagine it, feel it, and go to sleep.